Tired of blow drying taking forever? Tideway Hairdryer has a high-speed brushless motor that generates a much stronger wind, drying your hair faster. Tideway takes only 5 to 8 minutes to dry your hair, while traditional hair dryers take approximately 10 to 20 minutes. Its super concentrated airflow makes your hair drying process faster and your hair easier to style. If you're worried about frizzy hair, don't worry. Tideway's negative ion emitter eliminates static and gives your hair a silky smooth shine as well. I'm so happy I got this hairdryer. It has everything you need. Go check it out in the orange cart below.